should have watched where I was going.
Hi, come on in. We use should have plus the past participle to say that things would be better now if we had done something different or made a different choice in the past. So in this video, Pierre hit the tree because he was looking at his phone and not watching where he was walking. Things would have been different and better for him if he had watched the dog and not read his messages while he was walking. He should have watched where he was going. The form is subject plus should have plus the past participle. He should have watched. We should have gone. They should have seen. Now, to make a negative statement, we just add not. So should becomes shouldn't. And the form is subject plus shouldn't have plus the past participle. He shouldn't have read his messages while walking the dog. He shouldn't have been looking at his phone. And to ask a question, we just turn the word order around like this. Should plus the subject plus have and then the past participle. Should he have been reading his messages? Should he have been looking at his phone? But in everyday English, you don't hear should have. Because have is not stressed, the sound is shortened. So should have sounds more like shoulda or should've. I should have watched. They should have gone. We shouldn't have left so late. It's the same in the question form. Because have is not stressed, it is often shortened to uv. Should he have read his messages? Should they have left home so late? Practice with me. We should have gone to work by train. The traffic was terrible. We should have gone to work by train. You should have seen the light was red before you crossed the road. You should have seen the light was red. I shouldn't have drunk coffee so late last night. I just couldn't get to sleep. I shouldn't have drunk coffee so late last night. Do you think you should have gone out so late before an exam? Do you think you should have gone out so late before an exam? Well done. I'll see you next time. Bye.